Okay, this is helpful hints for practice part number 3. So I'm going to show you how to do some of this drawing work right here. This is the drawing. Remember, yours has to look exactly like mine does. You already know how to do these dimensions here. I'm not going to cover that. You already know how to also do this note. Again, not going to cover that. This view and this view are both inserted at a scale of 1 to 1. Well, let's talk about notes like this guy right here. We're also going to talk about this diameter dimension. We'll talk about how to do this circle and how to put these little crosses in here and how to make that center line and that one right there. So I'm going to go back to my drawing. And let's get started with this. Okay, so first thing I always do when I am working on any drawing that has circles on it or holes of any kind is I put in the center marks or the center lines. In this case, the first one I'm going to put in is called the center line, and that's this tool right here. It's called Edge to Edge Center Line. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click two edges. So I'm going to click this top edge and this bottom edge, and the center line is going to appear right in between those two clicks. Same thing going with these two lines. I've got my center line perfectly placed on the drawing now. Now I'm going to use these little center marks, and I'm just going to put them on these holes right here that don't have the center line going through them. Okay, so that puts those in. The next thing that I've got to do is I'm going to use this tool right here to the right of my edge to edge center line. This is called 3-point circle center line. And how you use this is you pick the center of 3 circles in what's called a bolt hole pattern. This is called a bolt hole pattern. Notice I'm picking the center of those circles. So I have all the center lines on here now that I need. So I'm going to push the escape key a couple times just to get out of that. I'll drag this over. Now I need to put in some text that goes for, let's see, practice drawing 3. I'm going to put in this note right here. So I'll show you how to do that. And then this note is similar to this one, so I'm not going to bother with the second one, but I will put in this first one and show you how to do 2 lines of text. And let's go back to our drawing. Okay, so this is a dimension tool, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to pick the edge of one of these tubes or one of these circles, and I'm going to drag the cursor out at about a 45-degree angle. I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to click or put my cursor, whoops, I just put my cursor on that box that was up top there. And in this little dialog box, by the way, if you don't get that, I just escaped out of the command. I can just double click on this and this brings this up. Now, this little symbol, circle with a whole slash through it, that means diameter, so that's got to stay. 0.25 is the size of those holes, and I'm going to click in this box right below here, and this is where I'm going to type in through, and this is all in capital letters, THRU space, then in parentheses 10, close parenthesis, equal, EQUA spaced, equal spaced, and then I just select away. Oh, what the heck. I'll do this other one for you too. So I'll dimension, and that is this guy right down here, and that is going to be simply a diameter of 2 inches. So those are the unique things to this drawing. Don't forget to put your part name down here, and thank you very much for watching.